project that people have been asking for since the beginning, and it's gonna be amazing. About the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's a itty bitty 6-foot jet boat hull. We're gonna put a jet ski engine in it and then tow it around behind our Barbie Jeep. And it's perfect because it's absolutely perfect scale to tow behind our miniature Jeeps.
That is too cool.
This thing's incredibly light. All right, new project time. We got something for Will to work on today. Woohoo! You ready for this, Will? All right, just wait here. Okay. I'll bring the project out.
Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas.
It's full of ice in here.
I genuinely don't know what Ethan's gonna be bringing out right now.
I hear a lot of noise in there.
Yeah, I do.
Well, I was gonna just carry it out, but I'll have to shove it out on it. It's time for the world's tiniest jet boat.
That is sick. It's like perfectly my size, too.
It is perfectly your size if you don't fall and slice your head off.
That is sick.
World's smallest jet boat that's also
a sled.
a sled.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey, doggos, you guys are fine.
Man, they make these things look so light. Look how many bees nests are in this thing. Look at all of these.
There's a ton in there.
Yeah. Look how clean this engine bay is. It's like one of the cleanest engines I have ever seen. Engine goals right there. So first we're gonna remove the carburetors, clean them up.
I mean, the idea is we try to start it while it's all assembled and see if we can get it running that way.
So we know that it's correct.
Right, rather than tearing it all apart and then being like, did we put this together wrong? This is something that I think is really cool about these. It's a liquid-cooled exhaust.
How?
This whole thing is a cast aluminum exhaust with an expansion chamber, but the whole thing is liquid. It's got a water jacket built in.
That's wild.
Yeah,
What
so it
the
helps keep
heck?
the whole engine cool, I guess, and probably keeps it from overheating inside here. Because you imagine if that whole thing was hot.
it's insulated in here.
Also, you have a limitless supply of very cold water because you're driving through a lake.
Yeah. This thing doesn't have a radiator then? It's
Nope.
just
Nope.
water.
Just heat it. It's just water straight out of the lake.
So we took the cover off these carbs and they actually look brand new. So I think what we're gonna do is add some gas to it and try to get this thing started. Oh my god.
It just holds the kill switch out. And it hasn't run in who knows how many years. We're almost there. I gotta give it a little bit more gas and then try again. Man, these are the most bizarre carburetors I have ever seen.
We had an incident with spilling some gas.
Yeah, and we're out of gas here, so it's kind of like...
All right, well, the rest of that's really nasty. Yeah, the carburetors were minty clean. We just took them apart to check, and everything was fine.
And they were actually minty clean.
Yeah.
So hopefully it should start, and we're just gonna give it a go. See what happens. I wish Edwin was here. That is a crispy two-stroke noise.
It is, yeah. It's still a little cold, so it's kind of like a full rev out. But
I mean, it started really quickly and easily.
Also, it's not in the water, so like it's probably not great for it to run without being
probably
in
not.
Yeah. Yep. All right, well, mission accomplished. It runs.
Now we gotta pull this engine out.
Yes.
So, what's your jet ski experience?
0.
Nice.
Oh, here we go. It's honestly not that heavy. I think this is gonna be great. Like, I can already imagine this thing over here. Looking all sick. Ooh, already looks like a hot rod. That's gonna be awesome. I cut around the silicone, but it just needs to be popped out.
Yeah, it feels like there's something in the top part of it.
No, I really don't think there is. Yeah, there's definitely something up there.
Keeping us warm and cozy all winter with this gear, and they're sponsoring this jet boat video. I got myself some new shop slippers, I'm calling them. Super lightweight shoes that are, you know, not gonna get melted by grinder sparks, but I can slip on and off. And I had to get myself a pair of these sweet coveralls. Edwin's always rocking them, and now that I have some, I understand why.
Highly recommended.
Yeah, they're comfy. They got all the pockets.
All other shoes fall off my feet on month 1. These are on month 2, and they feel just like when I got them. If you want to get yourself some unbreakable Ariat boots, there's going to be a link in the description down below.
We found the winner of the Arc Droid, just, you know, randomly selected in our spreadsheet, and that is William from Michigan. We're going to give him a call, tell him he won.
Hello.
William, this is Edwin and Ethan from Grindhard Plumbing Company.
Oh my god, no way.
Yeah, you won the Arc Droid and the plasma cutter.
No way. I was actually like running a CNC plasma table and like thought that was just like way out of my reach. But,
Well, now you got one.
you're like, yeah, you never think that something like this would happen, but
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We try to make it happen as much as possible.
yeah, it's just amazing. I now I have 3 awesome stickers and a t-shirt and like an amazing fabrication tool.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is so amazing.
Sweet.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, congrats.
Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations.
I love your guys' videos.
Thanks.
Keep up the great work.
Yeah. When we first got this jet boat, I never really had any idea of what the insides of a jet ski looked like because I'd never taken one apart. I mean, I had a rough concept, like 2-stroke engine, whatever, but when I was watching Will take this jet ski apart, I was thinking, man, that's a lot of stuff to fit into this tiny, tiny boat. But like, now that I actually set some of it up in here, I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Assuming the engine sits there, you're gonna be like, sitting in here something like this. But that's no worse than any of our Barbie cars. Even this, if it sticks up above the deck lid a little bit, you know, I'll just make a little bump in there, and it'll be, you know, like a hot rod that's got like a bump for the supercharger. You know, these are some of the main pieces that'll go in there for like the pickup. This bit will all be outside of the, you know, this is the impeller, and you know, this shaft will just have to be shortened by like, you know, most of its length will be gone. This, you know, I don't even know what this is called, but the thing that changes your direction, that'll all go on the back like that. So honestly, it's gonna be, there's a lot of work. I got my work cut out for me, for sure. But it's gonna fit in here easier than I originally thought. All that, and like most of this has to go in there. Like, not necessarily every part, but that's more of the underneath part that like protects it from sucking on logs. A lot of stuff gotta go into a little bitty package, just like that. In the future, we'll also build a sweet boat trailer so that we can tow this behind that. It'll be extra minty.
So the plan is, we're gonna race this versus the whole of the jet ski down the hill.
We had a bunch of snow when we came up with this idea. It went away quickly. I think it'll slide, let's see. We might need like a push start here, but we'll get them lined up.
Oh, so heavy. Holy smokes.
Yeah, it's got water in it, but it's all at the bottom. All right, let's just tip it over and let it go, and it'll... Wow. Yeah, dude, so if this jet ski was like reasonably quick when it was new, which it would have been, right?
Yeah.
Like they wouldn't have made it if it wasn't like enough power to feel exciting.
Yeah.
Just the hole in this weighs probably 100 times what the other one does.
It's gonna be so fast. It's gonna be terrifying.
It's, yeah, actually, it will be.
Which one you want, Swindle Willie?
Oh, dude, I want the little boat. That thing swindles hard.
Willie's having too much fun.
Oh, God! He's literally having too much fun. I'm really, that's gonna be really fun.
It's gonna be a blast. And then I can like commute around Lake Ponderay on it.
Commute!
3, 2, 1, send it!
No, it's turning! Ah! Haha! No! Jet ski for the win!
That looked like a smooth ride, really.
Honestly, yeah, I was expecting it to be a lot more intense, but that was pretty good.
That's more like it. We have so much stuff going on with Grind Hard right now. I wanted to give you guys a quick little update for the end of the video. We are currently working on the 6x6 Ford Ranger, the speedboat, and finishing up the Dream Camper, all at the same time. So when we get back from a super secret trip we're about to do next week, we will release the first episode of the Ranger build series, and then we'll go back and forth Wednesdays and Fridays between the Dream Camper and the Ranger until they're both done. And then when the snow melts, we're gonna finish the boat, finish the 2JZ lawnmower, and finish the rotary trike. So everything will be completely done, and I'm really excited to see that because a lot of the projects we've been taking on recently have just taken so much time, and we are the kind of channel that finishes everything that we start. So it is going to happen. Bear with us just a few more months, and what we're gonna start after we finish these things is even crazier. Also, we're gonna have a new giveaway coming up soon, giving away some new cool tools, and even, we just got our samples in today, we're about to have some custom riding jerseys that are so sick. Those will be out soon too. So thanks for watching. We have a lot of things about to be finished very soon. This summer is gonna be a lot of fun.